Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have an unboxing today for you from, no, not Mary's Diamonds, it's HeySoleilArt Diamonds. Now, they are still going through some of their old boxes when they're sending out diamond paintings because they're trying to reduce waste, which I think is awesome. They do have new boxes on some of their kits. The kits that I got has an old box. So this is HeySoleilArt Diamonds. And the kit is Yarn Crafter's Delight, and it's licensed by HeySoleilArt. The size is 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, or 19.69 inches by 19.69 inches. It is a square drill with 47 colors, and it has 5 ABs. This is my first time purchasing from HeySoleilArt Diamonds, so let's take a look. I'm really excited to see this. Okay, awesome. The first thing that pops out is their Bella Essential Tray. They include one of these in every single one of their kits. How awesome is that? If you have been watching my channel at all, you know that I'm a big fan of HeySoleilArt de Nicole. All right, oops, the diamonds want to come out more than the diamond painting does. Ooh. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Look at that. Look at all those pretty colors. I'm really excited to do this one. I'm going to roll this canvas backwards to help it lay flat faster. Because it is poured glue, it will lay flat on its own if you leave it laying there for a while. But for the purposes of this video, we want it to lay flat faster, so we're gonna do this. There we go. And you can also do that if you want it to be flat faster. Let's go ahead and look at, oh my gosh, they're pre-bagged. Oh, I love it. That means I don't have to kit up, which I'm probably not going to. So if you're hoping for a kitting up video, sorry, not gonna happen with this one. It comes with, oh my gosh, it comes with this is a big sticker. These are labels that can peel off so that you can label your containers if you're going to do containers. And it has the number, the symbol, and the DMC code. This is awesome because when I finish diamond paintings, I like to put something on the back that shows some of the information about the original artwork, and this one does a really great job. So you have the name of the company, HeySoleilArt Diamonds, enhancing your diamond painting experience. You have the name of the piece, which again is Yarn Crafter's Delight, licensed from HeySoleilArt. HeySoleilArt. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but there it is. This is what the original artwork looks like. Isn't that so pretty? I'm a crocheter, so I love this. And I love tea, so I love this. I can't even express how much I love this. So, once again, the size is 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, or 19.69 inches by 19.69 inches. It has some kind of a code for the painting. I'm sure that that's used at the facilities where they make these. Square drill, 47 colors, including 5 ABs. Find diamond painting accessories here at HeySoleilArtDeNicole.com. Yeah, awesome. All right, let's check out the rest of this toolkit. We already know we got this cool tray. Comes with some tweezers. Nice pointy tweezers. Nice pointy tweezers. Ooh. Clear glittery pen. It has a 3-placer on the end. Check out this pot of wax. I'm sure there's a lid in there. There we go. Oh, here's another multi-placer. So it comes with an additional multi-placer. This pot of wax has 3 pads of wax. They are blue, which I love. I love that this twists close. Some of the other companies out there that have potted waxes, the lid just pops right off and it doesn't really stay. Although in shipping, for some reason that one was off, but it's on there pretty secure now, so yep. All right, we also have another multi-placer. Those are all different sizes. We have a foam grip. This one is red. Let's see if I can get that on there. It's gonna take some working on. I'll do that later. And then some washi tape. This is cute. It's yellow with little polka dots. I'm going to use that on this kit. I like to put it around the edge because it helps keep any of the glue that goes beyond the borders of the painting. It helps keep that from getting all nasty with hair and dust and stuff while you're working on your kit. Let's go ahead and, I'm not going to show you the diamonds, but I am going to show you a close-up of the diamonds. Look at those ABs. So pretty. These look like really high quality, you guys. I'm excited. I'm so excited to work on these. Let me know how important it is for you guys to see all of the individual diamonds. If that's something you like, with bag kits, I will show you. I tend to not show because I like to keep them in order and it's really easy for them to flop around and get out of order. So look at those colors. The color palette's really pretty too. Anyways, so yeah, if you're interested in seeing me show you the colors individually on bag kits, please let me know in the comments below. Let's take a look at the canvas. So pretty. So pretty. So let's see. The cover. Ooh, this is a nice thick cover. I like that. It's nice and sticky. The drill field is nice and clear. Awesome. Awesome. At a quick glance, I don't see any color, at a quick glance, I don't see any symbols that would be hard to see or that could easily be misinterpreted with each other, which is awesome because there's a lot of kits out there where you have things like, I don't know, 2s and S's that are like the same color and then they're right next to each other or something. You know, there's things like that that happen. So it's important to be aware of when you're getting a kit and looking it over to notice what symbols might easily be confused with other symbols, because that helps make sure that you don't, you know, make mistakes and that the canvas comes out how it's supposed to. So I don't see any at a glance here. At the bottom of the canvas, in the bottom left, we have a thumbnail of the image, name of the piece, licensed artwork by, and the size. In the middle, we have Bella Art Day Nicole's information. In the bottom right, you have all the socials, so check them out there. In the right side, you have an upside down, which is awesome. I love it when companies do this because sometimes you flip the canvas upside down to work on. I know I do. On the right hand side, you have an upside down table for the drills, and on the left hand side, you have an upright table for the drills. Oh, I don't need to flip that upside down. What am I thinking? I don't know, just have it or something weird. Anyways, at the top, you have their name and logo. I love this. I love this little logo so much. On the left, gives you what to hashtag if you're going to share on social media. And on the right, you have BellaArtDiamonds.com and BellaArtDayNicole.com. Those are their two businesses. One is for diamond paintings and one is for diamond painting accessories. Let's see. I guess I can show you the location of the ABs. So I don't know how to distinguish which ones are the ABs. I'm new, like I said, I'm new to this company. So it looks like they're at the bottom. Some companies list them at the top. This one lists them at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so C is going to be a white one. Ooh, there's a lot. There's a lot. This is all C's. This is all C's. C's, 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 C's. Pretty much anywhere you see white is a white AB. Whew, that's going to sparkle. Next, we have the blue ABs, which is a little tiny dot. Looks like there's some here around in the tea bags. And that's what I see for that one. There might be more, but that's what I see at a glance. The reddish, the dark pink reddish one is a red equal sign, and we have some in the yarn here. And that's what I see for that. There is a V, which I believe is an orange, and there's some here. So this ball of yarn right here is going to be a neat little sparkly ball. That's awesome. And then in for a pink AB. Oh, and that's in this ball of yarn too, and in the crochet hooks. Cool. I'm really looking forward to doing this piece. I'm going to be working on this for Be the Hero, which is an event that Bella Art Day Nicole is throwing this month. I'm not sure if it might go 2 months. I can't quite remember if it's this month, the next month, or if it's just this month, but I do know that I do know for sure it's in the month of December, and I'm going to be working on this piece. I'm so excited. I also made some little crochet bees that I donated, so if you want to win one of those, definitely participate. Thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you next time. Bye.